Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You should begin by clarifying why you write and who will read it. That focus changes every choice you make. Once done, gather 3 to 5 trustworthy sources and identify the gaps where your own perspective belongs. Make sure to outline specific examples you lived or studied, because personal details create authenticity and explain why your text is different. Do not try to mask authorship. Instead, prioritize originality and documented research so the writing stands on its own merits. Now focus on execution. Shape a clear structure with an engaging lead, defined sections, and a concise conclusion. This helps readers and algorithms recognize coherence. Use varied sentence length, contractions, and rhythm to sound like a lived voice, and include concrete anecdotes or precise numbers to ground claims. Once you draft, rewrite for active verbs and specific nouns, removing cliches. Make sure transitions explain cause and effect, so your reasoning is transparent and defensible. Finish by proofreading aloud to catch unnatural phrasing and verifying all facts and attributions. Accuracy supports trust. Then use plagiarism tools and, importantly, a human reviewer to assess tone and originality. If a detector flags issues, do not attempt concealment. Revise for clarity, inject more personal examples or analysis, and document your sources and edits so the piece is transparent. This ethical process preserves integrity while producing text that genuinely reflects your thinking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.